After 30 years in the writing industry, I've had the privilege of working with some of the most successful entrepreneurs in their fields, carefully crafting their messages and stories into books. Each message is unique, profound, inspiring, and full of valuable life lessons. And each of these books was written with our quality Inspire, Educate, and Sell method, which you can learn more about in my own book, The Profitable Business Author, which is available through the link below. So in this video, I'm going to tell you some of the favorite lessons that I learned from these amazing people so that you can see how important your message is and why you need to get it out in the world right now. So the first entrepreneur I want to talk to you about is Russell Brunson. He is the co-founder and CEO of ClickFunnels, and he's an amazing guy. I've had so much fun working with him. I've written 2 books for him, and we've worked together for over the course of about 3 years. His message is you're just one funnel away. He sells a product that helps you build sales funnels. That one funnel away message, at the core of that is don't give up. No matter what you do, you're just one funnel away. You're so close to success. You're just this far away. If you can keep going and you can keep trying and you can get past the fear and all of those things, don't give up. That's the core message that he wants to say in his books. And that is an amazing life lesson. And it's a lesson that I want you to take home from this video. I want you to take it in and say, don't give up. If you're writing a book, if you're in the middle of it, or if you're just thinking about starting it, don't give up. Heck, whatever it is that you're trying to do, if you're trying to learn how to swim or you're being a parent, whatever it is, don't give up. It's an amazing lesson. And if you take it to heart and you believe that you're just one funnel away or you're just one backstroke away, I don't know, I'm trying to find an analogy here. Don't give up. You're so close to success. That's an amazing lesson that Russell teaches in his books. Alex Sharfin is another person that I've recently started working with, and he is an amazing human being. He's got a book out called The Entrepreneurial Personality Type, and his message is, there's nothing wrong with you and you're not alone. How profound is that? He works with entrepreneurs to help them build teams and grow and scale their companies. And he could have a lot of messages for entrepreneurs. He could have a lot of messages about making money and getting out there and crushing it and hustle, 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 and all that stuff. But that's not his message. His message, his unique message that no one else is talking about in this industry for entrepreneurs is that there's nothing wrong with you and you're not alone. And that's another life lesson that I'd love for you to take away from this video, is that whatever it is that you're going through, whatever it is that you're struggling with, there's nothing wrong with you and you're not alone. There are other people out there. There are people you can reach out to. If you're struggling to write a book, you can reach out to me. Find those people that are going to help you along on your course of whatever path that you're on. An amazing woman that I've worked with is Annie Grace, and her book is The Alcohol Experiment. And her message is about redefining your relationship with alcohol, even when everything else is falling apart. She teaches that you still have control over your own mind and that your mind is an incredibly powerful tool that can help you overcome addictions of all kinds. It can help you succeed in places that you thought you failed and you've thought that you should. Some people that read her book have thought about taking their own lives. Their marriages are falling apart. They're losing their kids. They're ending up in prison, some of them. But because of her book, they're turning their lives around and they're having success and they're getting back together with their families and they're healing the deepest part of their souls because she took the time to write that book. And it's really important for you to realize that you have the power to control your mind, and you have an incredible tool with your mind that you can use whenever you feel like everything is falling apart. If you feel like it in your business, or you feel like it when you're writing a book, gosh, why am I doing this? This is such a silly endeavor. I'm never going to get done with it. I don't know what I'm doing. All of those things are up in your mind, and you have the power to flip the switch and turn it around and get your message out in the world, because your message, I believe with all my heart that your message is just as important as Russell's or Alex's or Annie's or the next lady I'm going to talk about, Christy Code Red Nickel. Her book is called The Code Red Revolution, and I had the greatest privilege to work on that book. It has changed my life. It has changed the life of all of my friends and family, and it is the most amazing message. It is a weight loss book. And her message is take your life back. You don't have to follow the crowd. You can be a rebel. You can go against conventional wisdom, and you can lose weight in spite of everything that people are telling you, in spite of everything that you might have tried before and failed. No matter how many times that you fail, you can take your life back and you can succeed if you just pick yourself up and do it one more time using her methods in her book. Christy is an amazing woman, but she has an even more amazing message. And I want you to understand from this that you don't have to follow the crowd either. You don't have to be one of those authors who just writes a quickie business book just so that you can have a lead magnet. You can actually be one of the few that writes a book that's around in 50 years, a book that's helping people in 100 years. Wouldn't that be amazing to have a piece of you, a piece of your work that actually is a legacy and helps people long after you're gone? You can be that person if you decide to. You don't have to follow the crowd. You don't have to do what everybody else says. You don't have to write a boring academic style book just because everybody else in your industry has done that. You can write a comic book and it would be great. Each of these authors has their own unique, powerful message. And there's one common thread between all four of them. And that is the intense urgency that they feel in getting their message out into the world in whatever way they possibly can. They do videos, they have sales funnels, they write books, they have programs and products and services and all of those things. But their books are changing lives all over the globe. And they'll be doing so for decades to come because they took the time and they made the effort to make them really powerful books. So if you have an amazing message, and I know that you do, it's going to impact the world, I want you to get that message out as soon as you possibly can, while taking the necessary time to do it well. I've included my resources in the links below, including my free one-page book planner. So just click the links down below and let's get started on your manuscript right now.